Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to clip on PC and post on TikTok. Use a step guide to clip on PC and post on TikTok using OBS. First is to turn on your PC and ensure you've connected to a stable internet connection. Open your browser, for example Chrome or Edge browser, and go to the official OBS project website. Download OBS Studio for Windows and run the installer. Follow the on-screen setup instructions and click Finish once installed. Launch OBS Studio from your desktop or Start menu. In OBS, click the plus icon under Sources. Then select Display Capture or Game Capture to record your screen or gameplay. Name your source, for example, is Game Clip, and click OK. Then select the specific display or window you want to record, then click OK. Now, adjust your audio input by going to Settings, Audio, then ensure your mic auxiliary audio is set to your preferred microphone. On Settings again, go to Output and select your recording format. MP4 is recommended for TikTok compatibility. Once you make changes, click Apply and OK to save changes. When ready, click Start Recording. Then go to the main screen to capture your gameplay or screen content. Once finished, click Stop Recording. Your clip will be saved automatically in the Videos folder by default. Open your browser and go to TikTok.com, then click Upload in the left corner. Click Select File, choose your recorded clip, click Open. Here, add captions, tags, and a description. Once done, click Post to upload your TikTok video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.